Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing absolutely well, and I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can embed your Google Forms into a WordPress site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged into a tutorial account and I have entered Google Forms. If you're on PC, the way you do this is by going into Google Apps, which is this 3x3 grid looking button. Click on that and go all the way down. In the bottom left, you will see the Google Forms icon, and once you click that, you'll be taken to this page. If you have created forms previously, your forms will be listed here as is this one. If you haven't, you'll have a blank page with a plus in the bottom right, just like this one, through which you can create your own Google form. Now, what is actual embedding? Embedding is once you create a Google form, if you embed it into your site, instead of sending the link to people and then being taken to Google Forms to actually fill out the form, if you embed it into your site, your form will be shown on your site, and your whoever is answering the form can directly from your site give a response to that actual form. And the way you do this is the following. Let's say you have created a form. This also works if you are creating a completely blank new form. Just click on the form that you want to edit, and this is the tutorial or the form editing screen. You can edit the file name, the title, and the questions. However, to actually embed it into a WordPress site, you want to click on send. Here you can see these three icons. The first is to send the link via mail. Here is the link you can copy. You can also shorten the URL. However, to actually embed it, click the third icon here, which is the embedding section. You can set up the dimensions, and once you do, copy this link into your WordPress site, and this HTML code will show the form that you have created within your WordPress site. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.